we're gonna be fixing our Nintendo Switch.
Bits hidden in the handle, so do I just pluck them out? Oh, yeah, look at that. Ooh,
oh, the laptop. It's black.
Nice.
So, this will help fix our Switch.
Yep. Oh.
I can't wait to get back to Mario Maker 2.
Ah.
Or normal Mario Maker. Because,
I can get, I can't wait for,
Can't
wait for Mario Party.
Mario Party, that's a good one.
All-Stars?
Mario Party All-Stars?
Yeah.
That's not cool.
Okay.
That's not cool, Nintendo.
Okay, guess what?
What?
Mario Party All-Stars is basically every single Mario game mixed together.
Whoa.
Well,
Every single
sucks.
Mario Party game mixed together?
Mario Party. It actually looks really fun. Like, I bet it even has Super Mario Party.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
That'd be pretty cool, huh?
No, absolutely not that.
No?
Come on, I bet you'd enjoy it.
Yeah, I bet you would, man. Oh, that screw's missing already.
Oh no.
How'd that happen? Somebody already tried to take this? Don't take the screws, please. 2 center screws on the side of the device. Man, there are a lot of screws. How many screws?
Yep, screws. A disgrace.
Also, oh my gosh.
What is that, Mario Maker 2?
It is, yep.
Yeah.
Probably don't want that in there when we do this, huh?
I'm gonna play.
Okay, so we're gonna take out the micro SD card.
Wait, is that what has all our memory in the Switch?
Some of it, yeah. Oh, because there's another screw under the
Can I
kickstand.
hold that?
You gotta be very careful with it. Only touch the sides.
Is that what has all our memory?
Well, yeah, the card is, and then the little pins on the back are how it talks to the Switch.
So the Switch has lost all of its memory and the games?
Not all of it.
Okay, good.
Okay.
We're gonna put it back in though, right?
Yep. Now, open the game cartridge flap. Lift the rear panel up from the device and remove it. Ooh, this is gonna be good. This is where we see the guts.
We're gonna take
We're
off.
gonna see the inner switch.
Oh my gosh, we're breaking the Switch.
No, hopefully not. And you don't want to force these things because you could end up breaking it.
Oh, so that's what's inside the Switch. Lots
Yeah.
of metal parts. This all looks very interesting, Dad.
It is, huh?
The cartridge reader
Remove
broken.
the micro SD card reader from the device. Okay.
Oh, that's gonna be a lot to take in. We had to take apart the whole Switch just to get that off and then put it back in.
Well, we're going to take this little part off. Let's call this reverse order. We'll do, these were the first things we took off. These were the second things. Unscrewed it.
That's screwed up.
Yep.
Good.
Goodness.
Oh no, Daddy.
This is not the SD card reader instructions. Well, I'm sure the steps were pretty similar up until this point.
So I'm gonna fix the Switch.
Yep, we're going to fix the switch.
We're gonna put it back
Oh.
in afterwards.
Yeah.
Test it. Make sure it doesn't explode.
Oh my gosh, there are a lot of screws.
Oh good, I hope it does. If we lose the Switch, oh, my life would be over.
Oh, your life would be fine, William, but it would be very sad. If this doesn't work, I'll get you a new one. For this screw,
Dad, do you think this is gonna work?
I think so, as long as we're very careful.
Okay,
What?
good luck.
No, you're gonna hang out.
Okay.
You want this fixed so you can hang out and watch. Here's the thing, a lot of fixes, like people get very scared because it seems complicated and it can be difficult, and sometimes Daddy gets frustrated too because things don't work out all the way, but as long as you're patient and you don't get mad and you are very careful, some of these things that seem very scary to do, like taking apart your Switch to fix it.
And so this is how they made the Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, we're kind of unmaking it. Top edge of the vise.
Oh, I found it.
Well, that part broke altogether at some point. That's a little upsetting.
Oh
No, we didn't break it. It was already...
no. Okay.
Yeah, there's a little piece that just isn't there.
I think that was the problem.
I don't think so. But insert a spudger underneath the shield plate along the edge of the vise. Ta-da!
Whoa, look at all that coating. And that was just gonna while. It's gonna
Here
work.
are the guts of a Switch.
Look at. I wanna look at.
So
that's how they did it.
disconnect the battery.
Wait, this thing has batteries?
Yeah, how do you think it runs when it's off, when it's not connected to the thing? Good, battery disconnected. Remove the hink seat. Wow.
Oh.
Okay, we're still on fix the card reader, right? Headphone jack and game card reader. Okay. Why? Why the heat sink? I think most of the Switch is backed up on the cloud anyway, so we should be fine, but use the spudgers to lift the hink seat up and off the motherboard.
Alright, well, my phone does the update. I guess I'll just watch the boys.
Yeah, well, you could be part of this too. I just know William is a bigger fan of the Switch, so. Okay, so now we remove the headphone jack and game card reader.
Oh, yay.
Flip up the small hinge locking flap on the ZIF connector. Oh.
We're getting so close to fixing it, Dad. Ooh, I just thought of something, Dad.
What's up, buddy?
This is gonna be hard to put everything back together.
We're being very careful about putting all the screws back in the same place. This is intricate, huh?
Just sure that this is an actual inner workings of the Nintendo Switch.
It is, yeah.
I just remembered when I was a groom when I was running after you and you didn't know.
That was pretty silly, huh?
And a little bit scary. But if that was an actual Mario enemy, that would have been the scariest and weirdest enemy.
That would have been a
Dang
very
it, they're
weird.
magnets.
And scariest Mario enemy you've ever seen in your life. They really should make an enemy like that. How about like in a Super Mario 3D World 2?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, there already is a lot of
already
Mario.
marked to this A23.
Hey, can I see?
The Nintendo makers?
I guess. Oh, sorry, buddy.
Sorry. What?
Is it
Interesting.
already?
AJ?
Is that the card reader?
Yep.
AY?
Is that how? Did someone already try to fix this?
I don't think so. Conclusion is go backwards. Okay, thanks.
So that meant that you should have just done nothing.
No,
Good
you
job.
put the new.
Cartridge reader in.
You put everything back together again. Oh, this is gonna be hard. This is the hardest part of it.
Yeah. So
Also-
now I guess we just work backwards.
Once we put everything back together, we're gonna put back in Mario Maker 2 and see what happens. The Switch explodes. Someone find me a pit of fire.
You'll be fine, buddy.
But if it's okay, I'm gonna jump on my bed and jump all around and be so happy.
Then bunker head.
I'm gonna
It's the monkey jumping on the bed, huh?
yeah.
No more monkeys jumping in bed. Oh, look at that. It's another monkey. He cracked his skull open again.
Goodness.
Hey.
It's rough.
No.
So in theory, this just pops right back in. Oh, there we go. Well, either it's in or I broke it, so. William's like, don't joke about that. It's the Switch.
Also, it means the world to me.
I know it does. If it is broken still when we're done, William, don't worry about it, okay?
Okay. We'll try to redo
And
it.
your conclusion is put it in gently.
When you're putting game cards in, you can't just be shoving them in and out, okay? Right?
Okay.
I don't know. It sounds like a lot of people had this problem, so it's not like it was your fault, but it's just important to be careful with these things, huh?
Yeah, it all started when I got the Switch out one day, and it didn't remember the card, and that did happen before, but all I had to do was get it out and then put it back in, and it was better. And I was like, this happened again. Let me just couldn't read the game card, and that's how it happened. That's how it all started.
Yep. Battery connector goes back on.
Oh,
You got it?
you're practically almost already done.
Wow. It's actually like you're making the Switch.
It is a little, huh?
Yeah, you're making the Nintendo Switch. be really hard to make a Nintendo Switch.
From scratch, absolutely.
But I'm
Okay.
just taking every single part off. That would be normal mode. That's
Now,
easy mode.
let's make sure everything's still connected. Bring me some Joy-Cons.
Oh, okay.
Hey, it turned on.
What?
I said it turned on. Well, yeah, let's just take a look here.
Let's see. Yes!
Okay, just wait.
Let's see.
Which way are these going? Like this?
Let's see if it reads again. Yes! We
Awesome.
fixed it! You fixed it, Daddy! Okay, you know what? Let's keep it in, actually. Yo, we fixed the Nintendo
Okay.
Switch! We did
Well,
it!
just wait a second, because Daddy's also got to make sure the card works. So it does read that there's a micro SD card, so I didn't break that. Hooray.
After all, we finally fixed the Switch and can put game cards in. Yay, time to go back to Mario Maker 2. Itch.
Just in time for bedtime. But I think I can still put an SD card in there. Well, I think I'm missing a couple of screws. No, that's right. The top one was already missing. Okay. Well, that's why it's important to put your screws in a certain order. Now we turn it on. The micro SD card, which it does, still identifies a micro SD card, so we didn't mess that up. Add in Mr. Mario Maker 2. Woohoo! And he is detected with the blue square right there. Look at that. So that's been fixing the Nintendo Switch game card reader.
Bye!
Bye! Ooh, 45 minutes. I think we beat the time. 20 to 45 minutes. Okay, well, we were really close. We did it on par.
We did it!
Bye.